Oh, I need lime. Can you find me a bag of lime? I'll follow you.
Some people have masks, some people not have masks.
I like to see people doesn't have masks.
Yeah, me too.
If you have a boyfriend and he doesn't propose yet, this is what you should do, guys. Like, oh my darling.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys! Good afternoon! Good afternoon guys! It's already 12 something. Katatapos ko lang nag-live. Nag-short live ako sa Facebook. So, yun yung ginawa ko. And, nag-bake ako ng banana bread. Good morning mga, good afternoon mga ka-everything. So, ngayon, si Tami, katatapos lang din niya naligo. Sobrang init sa labas. Grabe. So, yun. So, alis lang kami guys. Ano na bang, oh yeah, ano na 12 something na kailangan kong kumain ng lunch. Hintayin ko lang itong banana bread na maluto and then yun yung kainin ko. Yun yung kainin namin. Para na masarap yan sa coffee. Hopefully hindi siya I think napadami yung sugar kasi apat yung saging. Sana in-adjust ko na lang, 'di ba? Yung kung sa Bisaya pa mathematically, bana-bana ba? Killing me softly with his song. Killing me softly with his song. Telling my whole life in this world. Killing me softly with his world. Ito na yun guys. The banana bread is done. So, yun. So, i-cut natin. Mag-cut tayo ng konti. Konti lang kasi kakakain lang namin. Katatapos lang namin kumain. So, ngayon, mag-cut tayo. Kung gaano siya ka-moist. Parang moist man siya, guys. Look at this. Ooh. Ooh. Crunchy sa labas, which is really good. Look. Look, oh. So, ang gagawin ko is i-try natin. Sarap. Masarap, uy. Masarap. Hindi pala siya yung sobrang nasyaka sa sugar. Hindi pala. Masarap pala. Ang moist. Promise. Promise, guys. Sobrang moist, oh. Naalala ko yung auntie ko, Auntie Abit. Magaling yun magluto ng mga puto-puto na banana puto. Naalala ko yun. Han, try the banana bread. Han, it's so moist, Han. I did it to taste it for the vlog. Kailangan lang naming bayaran yung garbage. Kasi malaki na yung namin. I mean, hindi malaki. Last month hindi namin nabayaran, and then usually kapag magbabayad si Tami, punta kami doon and magbabayad siya ng half yung 6 months. So every 6 months yan magbabayad. Kaya yun. Last month hindi kami nakapunta doon. Punta din kami ng Walmart daw. Gusto niyang bumili ng kape. Iwan ko kung bakit sa Walmart. Nabusog ako sa kinain ko. Plus kumain pa ako ng banana bread. Okay guys, ready. Let's see what is that, honey. Hala, garbage today. They pick up already.
You think?
Yeah, look.
Well, we don't know if they pick up.
No, because usually if they have tray like that, it's full. They pick up already. Look, it's 2 o'clock.
I know, but I thought because of the holiday, because the last couple of holidays they didn't pick up on Tuesday. And Monday was 4th of July. I mean, they didn't pick up on Wednesday. I didn't forget. I said it to you yesterday.
If you don't forget, you should put it out. But you didn't.
So, I still don't think they pick up today.
Hi guys, sa mga tao dito guys, wala na. Hindi na sila naglagay ng ganito, katulad nito. Pero marami akong nakikita. Marami akong nakikita na hindi nagsusuot ng ganito. That's a good one. Fine, good. Can you get spray for that?
This way.
Yeah, that's a good one that I use. Para sa spray poison ivy. So, marami nang hindi nagsusuot ng mask dito. Kawawang Tami. Makati daw yung paa niya. Poison ivy. Poison ivy rings. Oh, I need lime. Can you find me a bag of lime? I'll follow you.
The line's right here.
We have a bag over there. Hanap tayo ng lime para sa bag. Kasi wala na akong lime. Sana meron sila yung bag na lime.
Yes, it is.
A what?
Well,
Her parents.
in those days it was different.
Those days? That's why mom carried that.
I'm sure it was in your parents' days too.
No, we don't have that kind of thing because we have only Filipino. There's no other thing. So, anyway. So, but she have a friend like that.
Yeah.
But she just kind of took after. You know. Okay, so are you gonna put it in there?
What?
This thing?
I'll put
The
it away.
cart? Okay.
Alright, good.
It's nice when you do a lot, you know, to clean up your hand like this, or in the middle, like that.
No mask.
Hmm?
Some people have masks, some people not have masks.
I like to see people doesn't have mask.
Yeah, me too.
It makes me happy that I see
my wife
more.
not have mask.
Yeah, I see more of them not wearing mask. I like it. Yes. Oh, I like this one. You can convert that to the. Oh look, oh Mazda.
Ah, John.
No, it's a Mazda.
Ram. Says it right on there. Ram.
It's
R-A-M.
an M.
We've been through this how many times in your life?
Murmuring, my baby.
Well, as many times as we've done this, you'd think you would remember.
Uy, ginoo ko. What the hey, you Oh my God. And yes, nakabalik na kami sa bahay, guys. Bahay na po kami. Oh, you cannot take the heat, ha? Tignan niyo si Roxy, oh. Oh. Pasok agad, ha? Oh my God, she really can't take the heat. Sobrang init kasi hindi niya kaya. Roxy is not kaya ni Roxy talaga. Yung init. Basta init, hindi kaya. Where are you? You cannot take the heat out. Oh, you cannot. Yes, you cannot. You cannot, baby. Love the dummy. Love the wall. Meron na ako dito kasi yung blanket ko, blanket namin, gusto kong labhan. So ngayon, labhan natin. Mga damit ni Tami is ihang kasi ayaw niya yung pagkain niya ng pusa. Nag-add si Tami ng pagkain ng pusa. Ito, nilabhan ko agad kasi nagka-poison ivy si Tami ang dami sa paa, sa kamay, sa elbow. Ang daming poison ivy ni Sir Tamimoy, kaya yon. So, ito yung mga working clothes niya. Nilabhan agad para mawala yung poison. Kung ano yung oil na naandyan. Yan. Kailangan ko ng labhan itong blanket. Kasi meron naman kami blanket. So, i-replace kami. Marami actually kami ganito. Pero tinago ko yung iba. Tinago ko kasi, you know, pag may bisita, meron tayong magagamit. So, yun yung rason ko kung bakit. Yung mga maliliit, mga towel. sa labas ko iladlad ko doon kasi mainit. So, yan. So, oops, hindi pala yan pwede. Hindi yan light. Normal lang siya. Normal. Medium. Yung katulong ko is naglilinis. Inday Garutay. Namamatay yung baby, oh, na bagong tubo na bata pa namatay dahil nilagay ko malapit sa glass. Kapag, hi, don't drink that, adoy, ginuok ko. Ay, naku. Nilagay ko dito sa baba. Si Hams, tignan. Dito iinom. Talaga itong si Hams talaga. Wala talagang magawa sa buhay itong pusang to. Kapag kahit ano nang gawin ko sa buhay dito, ano talaga yan? Nakatingin lang animak ay. Tignan nyo to guys. Ang ganda guys. Nag-ano talaga siya. Tumaas. Ganun. Look. Diba? Tumaas siya. Look. Dito din. Dito o tumaas. Ang ganda lang ng dahon niya. Yun yung pinaka-ano. Yung dahon talaga niya is maganda. Kaya nagustuhan ko to. Kasi naalala ko yung grandma ko. Yung nanay ko. And kasi marami silang ganito. Ito naman, galing ito, ano to, spider plant. Yung mga hanging na ano, tumaas naman siya. Masaya naman siya, diba? At ito, hindi ko alam kung paano buhayin. Kasi namamatay yung mga dahon dito sa ibabaw. Namamatay siya. So, I think hindi siya pwedeng tubigan ng tubigan. Kasi maganda pa naman ito, guys. Kaso talaga, iwan ko. Buti na lang, hindi ko tinubigan. Look, nag-stay itong malaking dahon. Hi, Inday! Garutay! Hi, Inday! Garutay! What are you doing?
Gonna make some chicken.
And how are you gonna cook it?
On the grill. Chicken on the grill. Chicken.
Why? You just gonna put it in the thing, right? Quick?
Put some lemon.
Okay. Did you turn it on already?
Nope.
Cry baby. You call me a cry baby?
Cry baby. Cry baby.
You call me a cry baby.
Hooah!
Is that a baby cry? Hua? That's not.
That's what your baby cries.
That's not a baby cry. Hua.
That's what you call me, baby cry.
Uha. Do it.
That's what your baby cries. Like, wah.
Uha.
Ooh-ha.
Uha. Uha.
Ohio. Oh.
This is what I do to him. Kill him. Like this. Kill him with love. Kill him. Because when we're like together, he likes it, guys. I can't tell. Like when you take care of your husband or your partner.
I always keep a rag in my pocket.
He
so I
does.
sweat.
He does, but I always do this. And if you have a boyfriend and he doesn't propose yet, this is what you should do, guys. Like, oh my darling.
Alright, that'll do it.
Oh my God, somebody need to take care of you, and that's me. Oh my gulay.
No, you really want to propose that you use a cloth that's wet with ice water.
Yeah, I used to use cloth, no ice water, but it's cloth. Yeah. It's like you have to wipe the whole thing, like, you know.
100-degree weather.
Yeah. This is the thing about him. He cannot survive
Heat.
It's like he can't survive, guys. Like, for goodness. Like, there you go. He's like a baby. You put a towel in his back, and honest to goodness, I can sit in his face. He like it, and I like the baby. Hi, baby. Can you cry? Oha, oha. Can you cry? Oha, oha.
I don't do Omaha.
Oha, oha. Okay, it's in your background.
You can get me ice water.
Okay, I'll get it.
Ice.
Andito kasi kami sa labas kasi nag-grill si Tommy. Look. He's grilling. What's your chicken, ha? Ang sarap ng pakiramdam dito sa loob ng bahay. Kasi maganda yung temperature. And yun, maganda yung temperature dito kaysa sa labas. Pero nagproblema kami dito sa floor kung saan kinalat ni Tommy yung tubig. And si Tommy, sobrang init. Kawawa talaga, guys. Oh. So, sabi ko, punta ka dito sa loob ng bahay kasi ako na yung mag-continue pero ayaw niya. So, pabaya. Hi guys, I've been outside. Tignan nyo yun, oh. Oh my God, basang-basa ako sa singot. Galing ako sa labas. Ako yung nag-continue ng grilling. Tapos na yung chicken. Dito na. Ready to eat na. Tummy moy. Look. Sobrang init talaga. Nakakaloka. Ito yung chicken. That's his dinner. I don't wanna eat.
Knock it off. You want one rice?
I don't wanna eat. I'm hungry. You eat. Seriously, are you going to force me? I will probably. Okay, I'm gonna probably look something to eat a little lighter. Mahan, I'm so sweaty. I'm not hungry.
You want me to eat some rice?
Huh?
Rice?
No rice. I said no rice because I'm full. Oh my God. Take what you want to eat. I'm just gonna have banana bread.
Son, banana bread is not food. Sugar food. Really?
Han, I wanna have banana bread.
You can have that after dinner. It's dessert.
Look,
It's
you are.
not- No, eat some real food.
I cannot even eat what I like because my husband is controlling.
Yeah, really good.
What are you trying to get?
No oil? Seriously?
There is oil. Oi! Over there, oh. Ang init sa kalibutan. You do ahead and eat your bread. You do ahead and eat your bread.
Probably the first time I see you put ice and water in a long time.
My butt is wet. Okay, I think I'm gonna take a shower again. I take a half bath today. I think this time I'm gonna take a shower. My butt is staying here. This right here is wet. Armpit is wet. Everything is wet. And you too is sweating. Hi.
Hey.
Embarrassment niya. Mas nahiya talaga yan siya guys kakain and then i-video. Look, nahiya yan. Look. Parang hindi niya ma-open yung mouth niya. Hello guys, napagod ako sa kalalaro ng dalawang aso. Sabi ko, o sige laro tayo kasi maliligo ako. So okay lang magkalumi-dumi. Buhok-buhok. So ang dami kong buhok. Kuha muna tayo ng make-up. Kunin muna natin itong bobot sa mukha. Ganon. Ligo tayo ay kasi sobrang init. Sabi ko, grabe yung init kanina. Kapag nag-barbecue ka, and then sobrang init, mas lalo yung init. Parang grabe talaga yung singot ko. And kailangan ko ng sabon. Ito yung mga towel ko. Dito ko nilagay. Ganon. Yun yung mga towel dyan para sa madali lang kunin. What? Who? What happened to her? Masakit yung ulo ko. Yeah, she's a pain, alright. Anyway guys, good night guys. Ina ko na tong vlog kasi ng oras, 10 o'clock na. So, ina natin. Kanina pa ako na dry na yung buhok ko. But anyway, good night. Salamat guys sa panonood. So, buhok ko is yun. Good night.